How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some pelvic floor and kegel exercises that you can do at home. We'll do a little bit of a workout, so make sure you guys follow along. These exercises are amazing. So let's go over the first exercise, you guys. First exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do a side plank. This exercise, very good. So we want to get into this position. Doesn't matter what side you do it on, because you should be doing both sides. So get into this position. Now all we're going to do now is raise our hips and then just hold that for 10 seconds. Just like that, 10 seconds, that's all you have to do. Then what you're going to do is we are going to take a little bit of a break to allow our muscles to recover, and then we are going to do another, we're going to do the other side, then we're going to take a little break, and we're going to keep on doing this. This exercise alone will activate your kegel and your pelvic floor muscles. This is what I recommend doing, you guys. So again, breaks are very important. If you're not doing your breaks, then you're not doing it correctly. So just a little bit of a break. Now we're gonna go back onto this side. And again, hold it for roughly 10 Mississippis. Just like that. That's all you have to do. Very easy, very simple, very effective. But we're gonna do a little bit of a workout for this, so we'll keep on going. And again, it doesn't matter what side you guys do, just keep rotating. And that's really all you have to do. Then another 30-second break. We'll just keep on doing this. Now, people ask me all the time, how do you actually tell if you are working your pelvic floor and your kegel muscles? How can you tell if you're doing this? Answer is very simple. All you have to do is start peeing, and then the muscle that you feel when you stop peeing midstream, that is your kegel muscle. So make sure you guys go to the bathroom, try that out, and the muscle that you feel, that is your kegel muscle. That's your pelvic floor muscle. That's the muscle that you're trying to activate when you're doing these exercises. Obviously, you don't want to pee when you're doing this exercise, but that's the muscle. That's how you can kind of feel it, because a lot of people, they have no idea how to feel it. So let's go again. Just like that. And then another 30-second break. So yeah, it's very easy to tell how to hit that muscle. Again, you're just it's how you go when you stop peeing midstream. Very easy, very effective. What I will do is I will also put a link in the description box for some items that will help train your pelvic floor and your kegel muscles. So make sure you guys check that out as well. So we'll do it again. A little bit of a break, you guys, and then we'll do that. There's lots of different exercises that you can do for your kegels, you guys. There are numerous exercises you can do. What you can do is literally pick an exercise, do a workout, do 10, 20 sets if you want. Maybe 10 sets, 20 is a little repetitive, but 10 sets, just pick one exercise and just do the movement, take micro breaks, and just keep doing that over and over again. You're gonna see some crazy results. Trust me on this. And again, people will ask me, are the micro breaks important? The micro breaks are super important. You try doing a side plank for 6 minutes, it's going to be almost impossible, you guys. And again, it doesn't matter that you're only doing them for about 10 seconds, 15 seconds. That's all that's really needed. You don't need to do them for any more. So we'll do just a little bit longer, you guys, and then you guys kind of get the point of the workout, and that's really all that you need to do if you want to see some crazy, crazy results. Trust me on this. So again, we'll do just a couple more sets, then the video will be wrapped up. So again, if you made it this far, keep following along. The workout's almost done. So again, you guys, that is going to wrap up the workout portion of this. Very good if you guys have been following along with me. Make sure that you guys follow along with the whole video, and you guys can watch the video over and over again and just continue doing the workout. You're going to see some crazy results. Trust me on this. I will put a link in the description box if you guys are interested in some items that will help. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate all the support I get from my subscribers. Please like my video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.